Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's tutorial is on moving screens around to arrange them in a way that might better suit your needs. Please click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit richclose.com. Okay, so again, if you have an iPhone, I have multiple screens with apps arranged in certain fashions. So for example, photography is one of mine. I have a screen with photography on it. And I don't know if you've noticed, but down at the bottom, there are several different bars, or dots, I should say. And again, you can jump to the different screens that you might have on your iPhone. The last screen, if you scroll all the way to the right, is now a screen, a group that Apple's created, where they automatically put your apps into what they believe are the categories where you would like them. So that's kind of the last screen you go to. So let's get off of this one and go back to my screen. So again, we want to edit the home screen. And so you can press and hold anywhere again to edit the home screen. And you'll see that along the bottom now this dotted bar of all of your pages highlights. You can click on it and you'll see these are all the screens now that you have available, that you have your apps on. So to rearrange them, you just can grab a group or a screen and move it to a new location, and that will change the order that you scroll through on your screens. You can also disable a screen and no longer see it in the view as you page through your screens. Again, the apps are still there. They'll be available in the app library, and they're still searchable, just won't be visible. You'll skip that page as you go through your apps. To save those settings, you click off. You now have the new settings. I'm missing one screen down here. I don't want to leave it that way, so I'm going to just press and hold until it clicks on, turn that set of screens back on, and I'm going to go back to my original order because that's how I like them. And then I just click anywhere to get out of this view, and one more time to stop the wiggle, and we're done moving screens around. So again, thank you for watching my video. Again, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.